chain and the morning. I took the phone back. Yo, as I believe, I am a blood. I want to know yo, and I don't know all of that. One man home to say, Nanazi, you also my money. I said, I'm put it. Another one I want to see you. For another massy, or another massy, the master said, what the money never tied to my deity. I say, yep, I want to say, moving thing, I went in to sing, never who could be on Casabapani, and not yet, Sabria,
and President Daniel Kessie. Or no, then all day, of course, we are saying, of course, Masra, anything we do, also better than Benin. Benin's man, Dr. Mirabo. At the time, I didn't want to know that we do that. You're right. I'm brother, so, and I'm Madame Masia Jumana Siem. Na ya wodew ne ya wakwapem ya wakwapem ne kwamam ya wakwamam ne ya Ghana ya ka Ghana ebeto gwano ya ka Ghana kamfo na free kete Ghana ba ye no a yetimi kire na so endru kwamfo so a yetimi kire wo masifise bosompo ebeto botan enti na nanom bosofo kirepomfo anum late okre womu ha ansana akamfo eba na wo pe abotre atona wa nya bi e wo hade a ene na Ghana abotre asa wonsama abotre aha ade nya kropo twedi abo kekere Ghana enti kwanfo abusua no so ehya ase efri omantifi aya gonja ade fa asufrawo etifedo yenuanom a omowa ntumuru krache yaji kwame danso kejeji adisane bedru amiwi so a ne afa ensuo ya no asa kompoa no tienuanom ne awutu efutu senya breku eti kwamfo kwani nipa o ma tre efri wo meye tifi ekosi apoye ade kwa atoye ukọ enzimama mu kura no a gwanfo no ebi asa wom eti eka gwanmaya na gwan ana ye Ghana ankasa se Ghana ye Ghana na ambani se apo abeto botai wada roma enda beso ndenu nanye sake wada roma beso ndenu akwasi bedi akọ enda de moye amanfo enda de moye aboya enda de moye wontumi enda de moye bosompo enda de moye antu enyama enda de moye obensan wada roma obeke isemo itusu ansuwa ekpododo ekokwale ase ne ntrema ade ase bentrom ade ase na jebamo enihwe esehwe na mode se de wa mamom ni nkwegura ani adawroma na nya chia aferi mo preso na pao na nya AWUKU BRAM asejem ohiri tua chidomhene ededi na chipe enti unko ba bi bebri a ne ta di chidom akonwan ma ahene ma fise wa mfa ma wa hene ba na manipa hunu bi akodi chidomhene no di ohene chi na tra nya yie na o kira wa twetwe bi na teyi a o se atamfo na eku no eti chidomhene obi a ye kokko a ohene tua odi na chi na nifa hene edna so tafo na nifa na benkum so na benkum na adontenyene so de dom na dikan na osahene edikan wo nyina besom adontenyene ono ene chief war commander afaye ko ahimfie ni enti asokofo photo from mutwamu na afei ana chami besidom ewo apiapem daw eno tina gwa mu mprempren a
enya 40 years na ni ya KYIDOMHENE abedua na so nguse eye ni gisem asofafo aba Obra kaseku ne mereku yampom agidiki ne agataka ne kam kamanto kanto kogodia jambo de bakam bekeria wongan wo hunduru o chensa wonja sara ka bepe ake tetere chimiri ku asare ya wuchi odabo na oyi ne birim ma hene wa okano waso edimo obra o yesra mumu egwanem na gwanem na ho Asare era se ma hewa brebe one mrasa begwa mutina menyene mote so wonka Mr. Speaker no I just order governor and now Mr. Speaker right Reverend
Mamudu yo ya mamudu ko ne mfi aduanan aheni ya mpa kwa na se uhuntinga kwenti o sini mfefo darama tiriso oti bukusu ya odi anante makoten o se tutu
nana otobo jankwesi oya chairman for this occasion Achahene yeah, Honorable Speaker, Professor Mike Aaron Kwe, Osaye Osofo Nimpong, Nananom, Enuanom. Yeti abitwa asem yi sin se ye chairman aye nana otobo jankwasi oye madwuma no bebre amame obobo ahemfudin ahemfo abetu safra wo munyina bobo obudin ogusukura kase obi obebe bia obeye introduction Masa boy dikai ne se de nyame ase se ene dey ansana ene dey bedu no le komi ko to janim pompa ye se de zuo etoto na nsen so bia ditua anka November mu de kana ope asia no Jakupo tie me pa ebo me amahu se ye sori ha wie madwuma ya esuo de ebetokra agese ye nyina yakoda ye tosu mienu Islamu ara me ye gwani ye chiriponi ye achini kakra na ye chiriponfo de kaye lucky chiriponi bia ye bewo no ato asase so pepepe not kasa mienu oti twi sa ati chiripon Lemum se me kasa twi ne na se me fumo a mo fa cheme na nye se ba sheda esre mo ara ni toso miensa meda payufo abatu nsa frɛ won Another immediate fear, nine. And you be able to say, when you fall, I feel baby by Sabi, we are no one you my papa bidi. When you are what I did, and then mine for Edda or my papa. He said, somewhere to say, and I do met to say no, and you'll be a no yak. Grow 4, 9, penny 4, Mombe Pie. Said you may dear to say, I say, Timid on my sepa, say, oh my jow, would you my papa be now, my dear Boame, 7 penny mafia, and fear Diana, but now I could not so. Men some as I can make no. I try to be a good Menguma about born auction and say be brave why the betche Ama will be our and yabi. Now, as some aka a wedge in a yeah, Penny Baku Fikruma, Professor Asare, Nanka, or a psychiatrist director, and a chief executive of country, and so be a nomono. And some can yinano, the baby and so, no man up to Penia J. Kappa, or my decided you man, I can in Amame. Medamase, Sababa, Medamasepa.
You are the one that you are more Frisiapa. You.
So I thank God for your life. Aseda yonyame media. Aseda yonyame media. Aseda yonyame media. Me suminka adiawa. Aseda yonyame media me paboni. Aseda yonyame media. Aseda yonyame media. Me suminka adiawa ya. Me da wa say adiawa ya. Me da wa say adiawa ya. Me da Nana say, me to become Adiawa. Iti mo Adia Wayama. Mo Adia Wayama. Mo Adia Wayama. Me to become Adia Wayama. When we look back, 40 years is not 40 days. There were many kings that were installed around that time who are no more alive. There were some who were made kings who died after 1 week. There are some who have stroke today. There are kings who cannot walk today. There are kings in Ghana here who are hidden in rooms today. Somebody else represents them. There are people who have no reason to thank God because they have become embarrassment. But today we can see Nana and we can see him alive and we can see him seated. For that alone we say thank you. We say thank you to the God that has been his source of inspiration these many years past. My prayer is that you continue to be his hope for the days to come. Nieda nana kuma so bia nyame nyema. Sa nyame no aso ne mu abeduru ene no. Ono anso ne mu kosi awie. Nipa e ka ne ho nyira no nyame bɔ ho ban. Emma mo sam bia nya ne ho kwan. Na nyame ma onye ne che. Nyame no so a ɔde ne ho ato ne so no ɔno ankasa enti ne tata obi pia. Na ensi be wi. There are there say chairman ohene a chairman. Ye nipa bia na nya speaker of parliament wo mo pro. Ye nipa bia na nya MP ni decision pro. Timi nyina chi na say rade bia na wase. Timi nyoma be ni pompa church say bi da wase a. Fata me yiwaye fata wa yimia free owu wa mame kwanye bi enonti yeda wasia fata. May the Lord bless the people of Dawu and the entire Akuapim community, and may this celebration, like Nana Chairman said, come on 40 years to come. May it be said that the man lived very long and he was blessed with good health. We bless this land to the glory of God. In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit. Amen.